Hi, my name is Olivia and today we'll be cooking this tandoori-style cod with chickpea chaat. So this is a really modern take on some classic Indian tandoori spice mix and a great bowl of salad either for dinner or lunch. Let's get started. Alright, so let's see what we have inside the box here. Beautiful, look at this. So first of all, some fresh mint. Beautiful aroma, amazing smell. Same from the coriander. Then we've got cucumber, lime, we've got a shallot, red chilli. For the tandoori, we've got some yogurt, as well as the spices, curry, garam masala, smoked paprika, and garlic powder. Then we've got the chickpeas that we'll roast in the oven. We've got cherry tomatoes and pomegranate seeds. And then, of course, we have the fresh cod. Let's get started. So first we're going to start by roasting the chickpeas. So I'll give my chickpeas a good rinse. You can dry them like this. You can pat dry them as well if you want, but this should remove most of the water. Then just a little bit of olive oil. There you go. We'll add a pinch of salt. And the garam masala. So garam masala is really a spice mix with all things good and Indian. You can give them a little mix to make sure they're all coated nicely. And we're going to roast them in the oven until they're nice and crispy. So next we'll marinate the cod. So while this is a very fast weeknight recipe, and you can just marinate the cod for 10 minutes while you chop your vegetables, you could also marinate these in advance if you really have the time. So in case you're an early riser, get up 10 minutes earlier, marinate your cod, go to work, and then come back and stick it in the oven. So this way you get even more flavor. So we'll cut the cod into, let's do like goujons or sticks like this. So when you're cutting the cod, just make sure that you at least try to achieve a result where they are all similar size. So I'm going to put the cod here in the bowl. We're going to add the yogurt. I'm not going to use all of it because I'm going to use some for serving, but I'll put about 2 tablespoons. Then I'm going to add in the spices. Some garlic. I love a bit of garlic. The garlic powder is a bit more subtle and will have kind of a more sort of grounded flavor. That's the smoked paprika and then the curry powder. And now, if you don't want to put your hands in, don't worry. You can use your trusted spoon, but I kind of like getting my hands into the action to make sure that all the pieces of fish are nicely coated with the flavors. All right, good mix. And I'm gonna put them in the fridge while I chop the vegetables. Now, let the chopping begin. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. I would also like to hear from you which recipes you'd like us to cook, because we're really open to any suggestions. Now, if you like this, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and let's dig into this one. So, something light, but fulfilling, right? Let's see. Nice crispy chickpeas. Bon appetit!